Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. I'm also going to present the monthly chart. And there is things about the monthly chart that I would say too many people don't know. We know. And I'm going to pause the tape for 1 second. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. I'm doing a monthly chart now for the Nasdaq 100. And basically, yeah, I called for a trade for a reversal. But then again, I'm going to point out what only happens every so often. When we were up here, back in 96, I was trading here. And this was a 2,000 top on the Nasdaq 100. And a monthly sell signal or a monthly buy signal like over here only comes around every so many years, people. And I'll be happy to point it out in other charts. But let me tell you what's going on here in 2010. Right now, we went into a monthly sell signal in 08. And you hadn't had, it took 8 years. It took 8 years to get a monthly sell signal again, and that was in 2008 when I shorted the market. And basically what I am going to show people right now is that there is something going on. This is a monthly reversal bar called the January reversal that I called. But I'm going to draw a trend line right through the middle of that monthly bar called the SMF bar. Whether it's a monthly, 3-minute, 15-minute, 60-minute, daily, weekly, yearly, I wouldn't care, other than we've got a mustard seed of a buy signal on the monthly chart. And Peter should not be short. And let me tell you, whether you're working with a weekly bar, a monthly bar, or any bar, SMF Pro Trader bar. I said SMF Pro Trader bar. Now, basically, this monthly move will not be over until the end of February. But let me go back and show the last time it had a buy signal. Because this chart only goes back to 96. But I'll show you another snapshot on like the Dow or other ones. Is that it wasn't until 96 when we got that buy signal that came back into play. And it went into a sell signal in 2001. And here we are 9 years later. No, not 9 years. 7 years later, we went into a sell signal on the Nasdaq 100. And monthly buy and sell signals, price and volume action, everything else is very important. When will I be bullish again on the index is when I close above half of that monthly down bar. The 10-month moving average is crossing up. That's bullish. Nothing ever goes straight up. But here's the thing. If we get a monthly buy signal and we can take out half of that monthly upward bar, we will go higher. And that index means that there's a lot of room right back to here. Half of this bar that happened in year 2008, June of 2008, 1935 is half of that monthly down bar. That's going to be the next top if we can clear above here and get that buy signal to get confirmed on the end of February 2010. That's what the bulls got going for them. Another thing that the bulls got going for when we called the bottom was at the 50-month moving average, the pink line, and let's not forget the 40-month. The 10-month crossed over these moving averages and went higher. So that's your monthly distribution. You got to close above half of that monthly bar and consolidate. And this monthly sell signal starts to increase. There's a huge trade to the upside in the Nasdaq 100 on a monthly chart. You've been given a gift. That means that during this time frame, as these things start to set up, you better be coming back to StockMarketFunding.com, get involved in the SMF 52-week Pro Trader School, or take one of our other programs.